No, your eyes aren't deceiving you. It's me, Regis. I still have friends in the kingdom. They helped me to escape, but my...
Did you see how the wizard vanished?
He disappeared into thin air. No one knows where he is now.
The sun was giving way to the moon day by day, and the sons of Altus grew up as magical trees. Regis used ancient manuscripts and books to teach the children. The younger son, Valen, didn't like reading books or analyzing maps. Valen knew that his father would never name him as heir. He hated the legitimate crown prince, his older. Valen's soul began to overflow with envy and a thirst for power. Valen dreamed of ruling the kingdom under his banners, so he decided to get rid of his elder brother. Burning with anger, the soul of the young man became as... At exactly 5 o'clock, an explosion. Regis didn't believe it was an accident. He studied the flasks that remained intact and found out who. In the throne room, illuminated by candles, Regis accused Valen, in public, of killing. Altus couldn't bring himself to execute his son, so he banished him. After that, Regis refused to teach anyone.
The guards are after you, wizard. I'll hold them off. I'm Dana, the king's chief advisor. Thank you for healing me. I'm sure that Regis isn't guilty of trying to kill the king. That means you're not guilty either.